sharing how to make this rustic corn husk wreath. I love natural, slightly wild looking decor, and this corn husk wreath is exactly that. For this project, you'll need a wreath frame. I used a grapevine wreath. This was one I found at the thrift store for a few dollars and pulled fake flowers off of. You'll need corn husks or leaves, and then floral wire and floral tape if you'd like. My corn stalks came straight from the field. I had picked them with my mom, so I had to pull the leaves and tassels off the stalk. So I guess technically this is a corn leaf wreath since I didn't use the husks. I like the look of the dried leaves better. You can buy dried corn stalks or even just the husks if you don't have a field to grab them from. Once I had pulled off the leaves and tassels, I started gathering the leaves into bundles. I would bundle about 6 or 7 together. Then you can use either floral wire or floral tape to put the bundles together. I tried it both ways and ended up going with the floral tape because it just seemed a little easier. The amount of bundles you'll need will vary depending on how big your wreath frame is. You can also adjust the size by cutting off the bottom of the leaves to make the leaves shorter. Once you have all your leaves bundled together, you can start attaching them to the wreath frame. I used floral wire for this, just wrapping it around the bundle and securing it tightly. You'll want to overlap each of the bundles as you place them on. Once all the bundles were on, I adjusted things as needed, moving some of the leaves around, trimming some wayward ones that looked a little off. I think it's helpful to hang your wreath too, just to get a good look at it and see if you'd like to add any bundles anywhere or maybe take some off. Then I added in some of the tassels I had saved. These I just stuck in randomly, and if you make sure they go in the right way, they should just stay put. No wires or glue needed. I did lift up the wreath occasionally to make sure everything would stay put. And now I have a beautiful, slightly wild looking corn husk wreath that's perfect to enjoy for the rest of the fall season.